How to bulk add products using CSV on your Wix store. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. This is going to be obviously beneficial for those who have another service that they used to have and they have products from there and they just want to import it to their Wix store with the CSV files. But here's the thing, you are going to actually need to follow specific guidelines when it comes to this, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do so very easily. This is going to be using CSV obviously, so you're going to be able to adjust it with Excel or Google Sheets and so on, and then just download the file again and you utilize that. So this could be for those, if somebody sent you a list of products, you just need to input proper data into proper sets and you're good to go. So to start off, we are just going to go ahead and select the site that we wanted to start with. So I'm just going to go for this one as an example. And by the way, I know it says Wix Studio from the top left, but we're going to be using a default Wix site and default Wix store. So just need to note that before we get started. Now, once this loads in, we are just basically going to go to the main dashboard for Wix and just go to catalog. From catalog, we just wanted to go to store products and click on products. This should load in the list of the products that you already have, if you have any at the moment. And then from here, we can also start adding our CSV files and importing our products. Now, I need to note, if you have a CSV file from other services, for example, you exported your products from another service and you just wanted to basically import it, I don't recommend that because it's most likely than not, it's not actually going to work how you want it to be. So you're going to first have to come to this page and just go to products, and then from here we are just going to click on more actions from the top here. Once you click on more actions, the only thing you are going to find is import multiple products to your store, and this is going to be using CSV. So just click on import. And then it's just going to show us two different steps that we need to take. The first step is going to be downloading the template file, which is the Wix default CSV template, meaning you're just going to have a blank one, blank template for Wix, and you're just going to need to fill in the data required for your products. So just click on download CSV file. And then we're just going to go ahead and download a blank Wix CSV file or template. So just go ahead and do that, and this should download the CSV file for you from the top right. So basically, we just need to adjust this accordingly and add the products to them. And then from there, we just need to upload the file in here once we are done. So now to adjust this, well, I'm just going to go ahead and use Google Sheets in this example, but obviously you can use any app that is going to work well for CSV files. Okay, so this is Google Sheets, and obviously if you want to, you can feel free to use Google Sheets at any time. Just open up your Google account and go here and just go to Sheets and upload the file. It's very simple. So again, you can use Excel if you want to. It doesn't really make a difference. Anyways, you're going to have this list here, and you basically need to fill in the information needed for each one of them. So here we have the handle, which is going to be product 1, product 2, product 2, product 2. And if you're wondering why we have multiple different product 2s, it's because the second one, which is the field type, is going to tell us whether it's a product, or a variant for the product. So you can see product 2, and then we have another product 2, but this time it's a variant for product 2, if that makes sense. So basically you want to have the handle as the same name if you want to have different variants, and you just wanted to set up variants. And then we have product 3, which is product, and then we have product 3 variants for all are for product 3. So just go ahead and set up the different products that you want. So for example, you don't have any variants, so you just want to go for product 1, 2, 3, 4, and you get the idea. If you want to have a variant, you just want to go, for example, for number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4, and then 4, and how many variants that you have. Next up, we have the name. So just make sure you go ahead and add the title of the product in here, however you actually want it to be. So it's sunglasses here, shoes, and so on. So if you want to add more titles to them, go ahead and do that. Just add the titles to the actual products, not to the variants. And then you also want to add the product description. Again, you can just go ahead and feel free to add the description however you like for each individual product. Some people skip this and end up doing it once they edit the product within Wix, but if you want to do it in bulk, I highly recommend that you just set up the description in here. So just double click here, change it, and you're good to go. Now this is very important, the product image URL. This is going to show us the images or the image that is going to be included into the product. So by default, you're going to have some sample links here, but if you want to add your own, we're going to be using Wix itself to do so. This is going to make things a lot easier. So to do so, we just want to go to wix.com and open up our site editor. So we just want to go to the home page, click on edit site from the top right, and let's just wait for this to load and show you exactly what you need to do next. So once the editor opens up, you just want to click on media from the left dashboard. This should open up all the different medias that you have, and just click on see more for the site files if you have the image right there. If you don't, just go ahead and upload media and it should be uploaded to your site files. So once you have your image, once you uploaded it to your site files, you just want to go ahead and click on it. So I'm just going to show more. I'm not sure if I even have any. Okay, so I have these, which are good enough. So I'm just going to do this one as an example. So just go ahead and open it up by clicking on it. And then once you click on it once, you can just go ahead and find the URL from the right side of the options here. So just go ahead and scroll down, click on file info from the right side, like I said, and then just go to URL and click on copy URL. You have the URL for the image now. So you can just safely exit out of the editor. We don't really need that anymore. And we can just go here, change this, replace it with the new link, and we're good to go. So now that we have the product image URL set, we can just go to collection, set it up. If it is in any collection, you can also set up your SKUs. You can also set up more things like ribbons, price. Price is very important, so make sure you set them up. Now, I need to note that not everything in here is actually, what is the word? So basically, not everything here you need to fill. Some of them are optional. Sorry, I lost my English skills at some point, but some of them are actually optional. And if you want to check which one is optional, which one is not, you can just go ahead and try to create a normal product with Wix and see which one is actually optional and which one is not. And then you can also see, for example, the visibility and so on. So just make sure you fill in everything that is in here that is needed or they have information for. So you can just go ahead and grab the list of products that you already have and just fill in the information that is provided for you in the proper place for it. And that's all you need to do, really. And once you're done, you can just go ahead and export this. Just make sure it is a CSV file as well. So once you download this as a CSV file, you're just going to go ahead and upload it to your Wix site. So let's just go ahead and make sure to download this properly. We can just go back to Wix. We can go back to catalog, products, and then we just want to click on more actions, import, and this time we actually want to import by clicking on upload CSV file. And then we just want to select the proper one, click on upload, and click on continue. This should state how many products are available and are ready to import, and then just click on import 3 products or however many you have ready to go. It shouldn't really take too long, but sometimes it does even take a little bit more time to load in the images and stuff. So just go ahead and give it some time and it should actually be ready to go. And as we can see, we have our products ready to go, and we can see the image that I used is already, in place, and it's going to be added in here. Yes, the size of the image that I used is way too large for a product image, but for you, it should work just fine. So this is pretty much how to do the imports or adding more bulk products using the CSV. So hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.